Today we're making a leveled up version of fried rice, a super cheesy volcano kimchi fried rice. This looks and tastes epic, but it's so incredibly easy to make that it kind of blows my mind. Definitely one of my favorite things to make as of late. Okay, let's go. First, we're going to prepare our little bowls of efficiency. In a bowl, you're going to add some chopped onions and garlic as well. To that bowl, we add our kimchi of choice. I like mine spicier, so I'm adding some extra spoons of a Gochugaru or Korean red pepper flakes. Mix all of that up together and keep to one side. Bowl number 2, we're making our sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of Gochujang or Korean red pepper paste. Then we also add in 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and sesame oil as well. Totally optional, but I'm going to be adding about half a tablespoon of rice vinegar. It just adds an extra tang to the dish. Mix all of that up together and keep to one side as well. And guess what? We're ready to cook. In a pan, get some oil in and just pour the kimchi mixture in. We're going to stir fry this mixture. I just love stir fried kimchi. Kimchi just tastes amazing when it's fried like this. Fry it till it dries a little. If it kind of chars a little bit, then that's okay. That actually tastes even better. Don't be scared of the char. And now a rice time. So you have to use leftover rice from yesterday or a couple of days back. That's the best because the rice is drier and therefore you won't get a soggy fried rice mess. Anyway, what I have here is leftover corn brown rice. Basically, I just dumped a can of corn in my brown rice. That's literally all I did. Now I'm adding the entire sauce bowl. And then go ahead and just stir that in with the rice and the kimchi mixture. This is looking so good and I'm getting hungry all over again. Oh. And then guess what? You're basically done with your kimchi fried rice. How easy was that? That's kimchi fried rice, but we're going to level up these basic bits and we're doing a cool volcano cheese thing. So you're going to need a cute bowl like this and just pack in the rice in the bowl. Once that's done, grab another pan and then we're upside downing this bowl. Just like this, give it a naughty little smack, wiggle the rice out and ta-da! We have a cute volcano thing. With a spoon, I'm gently creating a well in the middle of this volcano rice and add a little crevice at the side like this. And then let's pop this pan back on the burner. Okay, egg time. I have 3 eggs here and we're just gonna go ahead and give them a whisk. This part is optional, but I'm adding water to the egg mixture just so it doesn't become like a hard omelette when it cooks, you know, just so it has a little bit more of a custardy texture. And then now, a volcano magic. Pour the egg mixture into the volcano well that we created earlier and be mesmerized as the lava egg flows all the way down. Oof, that's so satisfying. Now we add the shredded cheese everywhere. I'm using mozzarella here for the stringy, stretchy experience. Then cover her up so the steam can finish cooking the egg. Let the egg finish cooking, and are you ready now? Voila! I mean, honestly, how good does that look? I'm also going to be sprinkling some sesame seeds as a finishing touch, and voila, you're done. Okay, give this a go and bye!